Good morning, guys. This is the rain. Rain is coming. Rainy season has started. The heavy rain is coming in Delhi. You see, the people are enjoying the rain after a long time. Monsoon has started. How heavily the rain is coming. You see, I really enjoy the rainy day. It was very required for in Delhi because there was a heat every time, everywhere. And I think monsoon has started. We are enjoying monsoon. You see, trees are also happy. And most important thing is that whenever rain comes in Delhi, so automatically pollution level get reduced. Trees are happy. You see, one person is bathing in rain. People really enjoy the rain. This is first rain, heavy rain is coming. Before that, 2 weeks back, the rain has come, but that was not that much heavy, and heavy rain is coming. It's really good environment. This type of rain will really useful. It will stay for a longer time, because if a small little rain comes, then it's what it is. Or again, the heat will come out when the water will go in the land, and from the land and from earth again the heat comes and it impacts the people. But this rain is really quite good, really happy. Thank you so much.